My demonstration today is going to be using DigiCert's new um, ACME automation agent to automate the installation of a certificate on an IIS server. So here within my CertCentral account, I have an entitlement for a basic OV certificate. It's ready for me to request it. And in preparation, I have already set up in IIS a website that has both HTTP and HTTPS, and it has on it a certificate that will be expiring soon. So if I look at my bindings, I have a port here for 443, and I have a certificate that I've manually bound, the old-fashioned way. And I can see that it's going to be expiring in less than 2 weeks. So it's a great candidate for replacement. So hopping over into the DigiCert portal under setting up my TLS SSL services, I will click request. Okay. So now I'm shown some options here. I can choose to automate now. If I'm an expert and I know exactly what I'm doing and I just want to skip straight to generating my ACME credentials and plug them into my favorite ACME client, I could do that now. Or I could skip automation and just go back to the old way of requesting my certificate. But today I'm going to show you what happens when you click Automate Now. So the first thing I'll do is enter the domain that this is going to protect. And I can see here I have one standard domain available, so that will consume that. I'll select my organization. I will keep my validity at the maximum. Currently, max allowed is just shy of 200 days. And I'll click Next. So here it gives us the option to choose between a CertCentral automation agent, the official DigiCert client, or CertBot, if that's your preferred client. So sticking with the CertCentral automation agent, I'll choose my Windows IIS platform. And you'll see now it's generated a command. This command will be run from PowerShell. It's going to install the DigiCert ACME client, which is going to then run and manage my certificate going forward. And it's going to automatically install it to the correct website based on the host name that I've provided. Now, I'm going to download this command and it's going to save it to a text file. Since you'll only see these credentials once, we won't show them to you again. So downloading it to a file just allows you to retrieve that when you're ready to run the command. I'll copy this to my clipboard and now I'll switch back over to my server and bringing up the PowerShell. Pasting my command, and away it goes. I can see that the command executed successfully. And if I come back now to IIS and I take a look at my bindings, I will see that it automatically has selected a new certificate that expires in 199 days. So I did not have to do any manual reconfiguration of my IIS server. The DigiCert agent handles that. I'll go out and check my website. Here I'm on HTTP. I'll switch to HTTPS. Bang. It's just that easy.